Bullish torrential slide cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $60.59 and $131.94 by 2030. Market examiners accept AVAX could reach $60.59 by 2025. Bearish torrential slide market cost expectation for 2022 is $10.77. Torrential slide presentation. Torrential slide was made to resolve the issues of adaptability and exchange speed that have tormented Ethereum. It is one of only a handful of exceptional blockchain stages that considers really decentralized applications, as well as custom blockchain networks. Its high exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second makes it a suitable contender to Ethereum. Torrential slide was established by 3 PhD. Moves on from Cornell College. The torrential slide convention depends on research led by the group while at Cornell. The group accepts that they have tracked down an answer for the blockchain trilemma, the issue of how to all the while accomplish versatility, security, and decentralization. What is torrential slide? While keeping up with versatility, it plans to do this by having a bigger exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second. Torrential slide basic examination. Torrential slide is a cutting-edge stage for decentralized finance and installments. Its primary point is to make these exchanges safer, effective, and available to everybody. The torrential slide network is based on 3 points of support: security, dependability, and decentralization. It utilizes state-of-the-art advances, for example, agreement conventions and cryptography to accomplish its objectives. Up until this point, the stage has been extremely fruitful in drawing in clients and engineers. As a matter of fact, it is one of the quickest developing DeFi stages with more than $5 billion worth of resources secured in its brilliant agreement. There are a few justifications for why torrential slide could be a wise venture. First, the group behind the undertaking is exceptionally capable and has serious areas of strength for a record in the business. Second, the stage is continually developing and adding new elements that make it more alluring to clients. Third, torrential slide's serious areas of strength for has with probably the greatest names in the crypto space, which provides it with a ton of perceivability and reliability. The torrential slide network utilizes an agreement calculation called Snowman, which depends on the combined Byzantine understanding. FBA is a sort of agreement calculation that considers trustless and non-concurrent correspondence between hubs in an organization. This makes torrential slide more adaptable and versatile than other blockchains since every hub isn't restricted by the guidelines of the whole organization. Torrential slide current cost. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for torrential slide to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Torrential slide value forecast 2022. Torrential slide, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The AVAX cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $20.20. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $18.85 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and headways. AVAX is supposed to have a base worth of $16.16. Torrential slide value expectation 2023. In 2023, torrential slide AVAX cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of a VAX will before long outperform $33.66. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the AVAX's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, AVAX will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $26.93 and a typical exchanging cost of $29.62. Torrential slide value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $47.12 and AVAX might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. AVAX is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $43.08 and a low of $40.39 in 2024. Torrential slide value expectation 2025. Assuming torrential slide effectively helps market feeling among digital currency devotees, the AVAX coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, AVAX will be green in 2025. The AVAX is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $60.59, with a base cost of $53.85 and a typical cost of $56.55. Torrential slide value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, We gauge the AVAX cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $70.01 by 2026, with a base cost of $67.32 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, AVAX has a most extreme value worth of $74.05. Torrential slide value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $83.47. On the off chance that a VAX figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $87.51. Neglecting to accumulate the help AVAX needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $80.78. Torrential slide value expectation 2028. While AVAX is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $94.25 and a yearly cost close above $100.98 in 2028. Torrential slide value expectation 2029. By 2029, Torrential slide will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $107.71 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $114.44, averaging out at $110.40. Torrential slide value forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest AVAX cost in 2030 is projected to be $131.94 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $126.56. And, in general, Torrential slide appears to be an extremely encouraging venture with a great deal of possibilities. On the off chance that you're hoping to put resources into DeFi or digital currencies, by and large, AVAX could be a decent choice for you. What is the Torrential slide cost today? Today, Torrential slide is exchanging at $13.46 with an all-out market capitalization of $4,171,232,822. Is Torrential slide a wise venture? Torrential slide ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is savvy to say that a VAX is a decent decision of venture. How high can Torrential slide go? The typical cost of Torrential slide might conceivably reach $18.85 this year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Torrential slide might outperform $87.51. What amount will Torrential slide be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising notoriety of digital currency and Torrential slide, a drawn-out interest in AVAX could see the value ascend to $87.51 inside the following 5 years. What amount will Torrential slide be worth in 10